folks, it's Pam from Pam Rocks 50. I wanted to get on here today and talk to you a little bit about some items that are worth the splurge. Now, several weeks ago, I filmed a Charlotte Tilbury video telling what I thought about those items. So, so many of those items I think are worth the splurge, but I will not include those since I've already done a dedicated video on Charlotte Tilbury. So today, it'll be other items that I think are fantastic products, but that are pricey. I have my basket here of fantastic items. We're just going to go as I pick them out. First item that I have used for years is the Kenra Volume Spray in 25. That's the level of hold that it is. And depending on which size you get, it's about $18 to $26. I have the smaller size. This is a fantastic spray. It will last all day. It will not, but you can brush it out. It will not make your hair crispy, but it will hold. Also, it will not have a yucky buildup that you can see, like white flakes or something of that nature. It is just a sheer hairspray, but it gives plenty of volume, you can work with it. Oftentimes before I finger style my hair, after I've curled it, I will tip my head over and spray just a light spray of this, wait a minute, then flip it back over, and then finger style into place, and then I'll spray again when I'm finished. But I can lift and hold pieces and spray at the roots, and it never looks overdone or yucky like Freeze It. Remember Freeze It? It is just a fantastic hairspray. It is worth every penny. I keep going back to it because it works. Also from the Kenra line is this item right here. It is the Kenra Thermal Styling Spray. It is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, I believe. And it has a hold of 19. What I do is, before I heat style my hair, I spray this all over, and not only does it protect from the heat of the curling iron or blow dryer or whatever, it also provides a little bit of grip and hold, which is important for my hair. When my hair is freshly washed, it's very silky and slippery, and this makes the curl hold. I love it. I repurchase this all the time as well. Will continue to do so. Okay, I've talked about this item I think before on here, so I won't waste a lot of time. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I can't remember right now what I paid for this one. It's the large size. I think it's $32, and it's pricey, but it works. I have oily skin, especially through the T-zone, but I spray it all over. It makes your face look less powdery, but it also really makes it last. This is something that I have to have in the summertime because everything, just even double wear, will roll off my face in the summertime. I'm so greasy through the T-zone. But even in the winter, I use it. I love it. Can't say enough good about this. I will continue to repurchase this. Okay, here's another item that I absolutely love, and it's hard to describe a fragrance. This is Philosophy Pure Grace. I also love Amazing Grace. This is the one, this is my favorite though, and it smells clean. It's described as a soap and water clean, and it does smell like a soap and water clean. There is a light hint of maybe white musk or something in it as well. The reason I like this, and I think I've mentioned before on here, I have asthma, and my old favorite fragrances, like Estee Lauder Pleasures, for instance, is one that was my favorite for many years. I can no longer wear. It impedes my breathing. Sometimes it'll even make me sick at my stomach. It just can't do it anymore. So if you have breathing issues, asthma, COPD, or if you work in the healthcare industry, I recommend this. It's expensive. I get mine on QVC because I think this one cost, it's either $49 or $64. This is a huge size. But anyway, on QVC you often get easy pays, so that's why I get it there. And it is light, fresh, clean. You will not regret purchasing this if that is your wheelhouse, if that's the fragrances you like. Okay, next up is this beauty blender, and this is an actual beauty blender. In the past, I had always got the Real Technique sponges for, I think it's $4.94. This beauty blender, it was $20. I did not see the sense in paying $20 for a makeup sponge when I could get it for $4.94. Well, the beauty blender, the Real Technique sponge, I had always had to toss after a couple of months because it was starting to crack and fall apart. I've had this one since August, guys. Look at that. It's just now starting to crack and deteriorate a little bit. So the value is real. I will continue to buy the beauty blender because it works. I mean, I don't know that it works better than the Real Technique sponge, but it certainly performs great, and it lasts longer. Okay, next is this little item right here. This is, I've talked about this on here before. This is the Lancome Ideal Lip Liner. The shade is Ideal. Lancome Lip Liner. I'm not sure that's what it's called. Yep, Lip Liner. Le Lip Liner Ideal. $26.50. I don't know how many times I have repurchased this. This is the best shade. I have it on my lips. It's the best shade for me. I can often get some good ones from the drugstore that are, like I said, they're good. But, you know, I have to work with them a little bit. I don't have to work with this at all. Just put it on. You can even use it as a lipstick with a lip gloss over top of it. This, let me swatch it. I'm not very good at swatches. Again, I have it on today, but I'll swatch it for you. There it is. It's a little bit lighter than my lip color, natural lip color, but not much. And this is what I have to outline my lips. And I have it all over, really. So, love it. And a nice little thing is it has a brush on one end. So, if you want to brush on your lipstick, easy peasy. It's done. Okay, this is an item, a splurge item that I purchased last year when I got my Charlotte Tilbury stuff last summer for my birthday. And I know, it's bad. I got this at Nordstrom, at the Nordstrom sale. It was on sale. Now, it's a Tom Ford eyeshadow quad. Tom Ford eyeshadow quads are normally $88. That's outrageous. Man, I mean, I would like to have Coco Mirage, but I can't imagine ever spending that money on it. 4 eyeshadows. Are you kidding me? But this was on sale at the Nordstrom annual sale. I think it's in August. For $65, and I also got these 3 little lippies, Tom Ford lippies, with it. It was like a box set in Spiced Honey, Indian Rose, and Casablanca. I would love to show you these, but 2 of them my granddaughter has gotten into. They're not full size, as you can see. They're little tiny ones. A regular Tom Ford lipstick is $55. I'll let that sink in for a moment. But anyway, these are just a little trial sized, and they're great. There's a lot of product in them. Now, I'm not even going to show them to you because, you know what? My granddaughter Annabelle got into these, and she ruined 2 of them. But I can still use them. They're just not pretty like they were. But anyway, I recommend you to check out the Nordstrom sale if you're interested in some higher priced cosmetics or just any items in, I think it's in August. And if you just get on their website, we don't have a Nordstrom around here, but if you, and that means you don't have to pay taxes on it, by the way. But you know, just get on there and about that time, and it'll be all over the place. Anyway, the eyeshadow quad I got is Iris Bronze. It was the only one to choose from. It is not part of the permanent line, but that doesn't negate the quality of these eyeshadows. I'm gonna swatch them for you now. Going from lightest to deepest. They're beautiful. I love them. Like the Charlotte Tilbury products, they blend so easily. They never look overdone or, cheap. So that's one of the reasons I love them. Um, you can't see the lightest shade on me, but the lightest shade is right there. And you can see there's a bronzy, a plum shade, and a gold shade. These are beautiful eyeshadows. I don't have them on today, but I dearly love them, and I'm glad I got them. I think I paid $68 for that quad and the 3 lipsticks, which isn't bad. Another item that is worth the splurge is Rodan & Fields. Now, you know how I feel about Rodan & Fields. Those are fantastic products. But this is an item I haven't really talked about before. It is let me consult my notes. It's the Rodan & Fields microdermabrasion paste. It's pricey, $80 for this jar, but it doesn't say how much you get in here. Yes, it does. 4.2 fluid ounces, and oh my goodness, this is the best microdermabrasion paste. I use this once or twice a week after I've cleansed my skin at night. I go in with this, just a little bit will do you. Rub it all over my face, rub it in real good with my fingers. Then I go over it with my Clarisonic complexion brush. And man, it just makes your skin look so fresh, so smooth. When the term smooth as a baby's butt is overused, but it just makes your skin feel so plump and soft and delicious. It's suspended in some sort of very emollient base, and the microdermabrasion particles are super fine, so you never scratch, but man, do you get off the skin. Again, I use it once or twice a week, so even though it's pricey at $80, this will last me a long, long time. Also, from that same Rodan & Fields line, something that I haven't really talked about is the Rodan & Fields Lash Boost. It's wonderful. I put this serum on. When I got it, I put it on every night. Now I use it 3 or 4 nights a week because my lashes are great and long and lush. It's $150. Yikes. However, when I got it, it wasn't that much because I got it with my complete Rodan & Fields skincare set in reverse, and they were running a special at the time. I think they often do. But if you buy it by itself, yeah, it's pricey. But on the flip side, I've had this about 8 months, and it's still going strong. So it lasts a long time, too. But if you want good lashes, you really should try it. Maybe ask for it as a birthday gift or a Mother's Day gift. If it's coming up, that is coming up soon. It really makes a difference. Now, it takes about 6 weeks for you to really see the results, and then they will blow you away. I don't even wear false lashes anymore, and I used to wear false lashes oftentimes to work. I never even wear them anymore because this is so fantastic. Okay, another item that I believe is worth the splurge is this Josie Marin Argan Oil that I get from QVC. This is a little duo. It usually comes with, this is 1.7 fluid ounces, and it's on QVC. It's sold with a little color stick. This one is in Rosy. You can use it as a blush, or you can use it as a lip color. You could probably use it on your eyes as well. But this is a fantastic little duo. The argan oil is so moisturizing. I put a few drops in with my regular moisturizer if I want some extra hydration, like in the winter time. I put it around my mouth on its own, under my eyes. You can use a few drops of it on the ends of your hair if the ends of your hair are looking sort of yucky and crispy. Try this. It's $48 for this duo. Again, I get it on QVC because so often you can get Easy Pay on QVC. And, their return policy is unrivaled at 30 days, money back. guarantee. You just, if you don't like it, you send it back, even if it's half used. But that's where I get my, so that's where I would suggest you get it. But it is a great product, and it lasts a long time. I got this in the summertime, and I still have, probably a month or two left in this bottle, and I have a backup ready to put into use already. Now, my next item, I got at QVC, but they sell it a lot of different places. And this is this circle cardigan I have on from Barefoot Dreams. Let me consult my notes. It is the Barefoot Dreams Circle Cardigan in Cocoa. It's the Cozy Chic Light Circle Cardi with pockets. I got it on QVC. I got it, when I got it, it was on 5 Easy Pays. And it's $116. I wear this as a topper at work. I wear it at home as a robe. It is the most luxurious, no words can describe how soft and cuddly this is, like the most expensive baby blanket you can imagine. I desperately want to get a couple of other colors. I'm thinking about driftwood and black, but I would get no more than one a year, of course. $116, yowza. It's expensive. I want to get up and walk around so you can see how pretty it is. Now, the only thing is, when I was purchasing this, I read a lot of reviews, and everybody said, oh, the arms are a little snug. You should size up. And so I did. I got a 2X, and the arms are not snug. It's a little bit big on me, so the next time I get one, I will get a 1X, which, would be my regular size. So just, take that. If you read any reviews, take the sizing with a grain of salt. I find it runs true to size. I'm going to get up now so you can see the whole thing. We'll walk over here. Words don't describe it. You can't really tell on this video how luxurious it is, but I love the circle shape. I think it's very flattering, and it looks great with a variety of things. It just makes everything look better, and it has pockets. Yay! So if you're looking to treat yourself, it's a good item, and it's machine washable, even better. All right, I hope you join me next time. I will be uploading, I have some ideas for some videos next week that I'll be uploading. Thanks for watching today. I appreciate your time. What are the products that you find are worth the splurge? What are the products that you buy that you think, oh yeah, I'd buy that again? Leave it down below. Until next time, I hope you like, share, subscribe, hit the ring bell button. I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.